Good morning, everybody, from beautiful sunny LA. As you can see, we are at the beach.
Hello.
Look at this view. Just
that view. Isn't it beautiful?
It's great. Oh my god. I mean, you can see the plane's taken off at LAX, which makes you sad if you think about it, but it's okay because then you just look the other direction and you see beautiful, beautiful sun.
And you see the surfers.
And there's the surfers. Oh god. We've been here for quite some time. Well, maybe like not even a half hour.
No.
Maybe a half hour. We've just sat down at the beach, put sunscreen on, and now we're just going to lay here and bask in the sun.
Well, we had an awesome Uber driver.
And we had, yeah, our Uber driver was freaking awesome. Oh god, she was hysterical. I gave her a 5-star review and a $6 tip, and she was great. She was just hysterical. And it was very entertaining. So now our day went off to a great start. We are going to be here in Venice for probably most of the day.
We're going to wait for Jimmy.
Yeah, our friend Jimmy from school is out here doing an internship for the next couple months. So we are going to hang out with him afterwards too. But for now, enjoy the beach.
What about a Muscle Beach?
Muscle Beach. Well, we can talk about that later.
Oh, yeah. Why do I have my sunglasses on?
Oh, well, I'm going in, but I'm not going under. I'm going in, but I'm not going under.
Is it on?
My camera?
Yeah.
Yeah. I had it on when you realized you had your sunglasses on, so I was like, forget it.
Oh, it's low tide today. Look, Melissa, look at all the shells.
So many shells.
Yeah. Sometimes bits of lobsters wash up, like their old shells.
Ah.
And seaweed, lots of seaweed.
Yeah, well, today it's just sand, thank God. How cold is it?
This is in Florida with like really warm water.
Yeah. Ay, caramba.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Do you mind if you took a photo?
Yeah. Here.
Like with that background?
Okay. I took a few.
Okay. Are you gonna go back or still like?
I'm gonna stay like here, but I'm not going in.
Do you mind holding on to this?
Yeah, no, I got you.
I'm gonna go in.
She's going in.
I'm going in.
She's going in. In she goes. Couldn't pay me fucking enough. Oh my god. This is crazy. Let me see if I can consistently zoom in on her. Oh, under she goes. Yeah, no, thank you. In case you might have discovered, I'm not a big fan of water. I mean, I would go in up to like my hips, but I won't go under. And I won't actually swim. But yeah, I may put the camera down back at the at base camp and follow her in, because why not go into at least my hips?
I don't know what else to say.
Am I recording? I hope I am. What? What?
Oh, I was talking to Taylor. I don't know what else to say.
Yeah.
Alyssa hates me because I haven't seen Star Wars yet.
Exactly.
Well, maybe we could go see it.
Yes.
Maybe There's actually so many movies I want to see.
So, in case you haven't noticed, we are still at Venice Beach, and we will be here for a while. I think we've been here probably about an hour-ish. Last you saw, we were going down towards the water, and then I brought you guys back, and I went in the water, so... Yay. We're FaceTiming Taylor over on Nikki's phone, because we were FaceTiming people. I FaceTimed my mom, and she was very mad at me because I showed her the beach.
Poor Jen's stuck at work, and she can't talk to us, really.
Yeah, poor Jen wants to talk to us, but she's at work, so she can't. And I am making a hole in the sand, because why not? When at the beach, you play in the sand.
Yeah. You play in the sand. Maybe we'll build a sandcastle later.
Maybe. We'll have to figure it out.
That would be fun, though.
We'll figure it out. We basically plan on being here, like, all day.
Well, maybe, like, the beach and Venice.
Yeah, like, we plan on being at, like, in the Venice area, like, all day. So, that's gonna be fun. Our friend still hasn't texted us back as to when he's gonna meet us, but that's okay. What else to say?
Are your sisters going to school soon?
Have they applied to literally anywhere?
Alyssa asked, have they applied to everywhere? Anywhere?
Okay, well, they've applied. That's good. That's a good first step.
Yeah, it is a good first step. We're right near LAX, so we can actually see the planes taking off.
Which is so cool to me.
And Alyssa was surprised that you asked me if there were seagulls out here.
Yeah.
They're everywhere out here.
I asked if there were seagulls.
We have a great view of the mountains. Of Santa Monica, the mountains, and if you go more west, you'll eventually get to Malibu and Topanga. Yes, there's actually a place named Topanga, and it's a fun fact. The creator of Boy Meets World named Topanga after Topanga, California.
Ha!
So, fun fact. I like Topanga. It's like a escape from the city. Because it's up in the hills and there's a lot of hippies up there.
There's a lot of hippies.
Yeah, there's a lot of hippies.
That's great.